How do you awaken desire in a woman who seems completely uninterested? This is where most men get confused. They assume attraction is built by effort, being nicer, texting more, proving value. But the harder they try, the colder she becomes. If that's ever happened to you, understand this first. You weren't failing. You were simply playing the game in the wrong order. Very few men are taught how female attraction actually works. It isn't logical. It isn't based on explanations or intentions. Attraction is emotional, instinctive, and often subconscious. While most men try to convince a woman they'd be a good choice, her brain is scanning for entirely different signals. Signals rooted in evolution, emotion, and psychological shortcuts. When you understand those signals, chasing becomes unnecessary. You stop trying to win her approval, and instead, she begins to feel drawn toward you. The first trigger is masculine presence. This has nothing to do with muscle or height. It's about how you carry yourself, your pace, your posture, your stillness. When you enter a room, do you feel settled within yourself or restless, scanning for validation? Women sense this within seconds. A man who moves calmly, who isn't rushed, who doesn't need eye contact to feel seen, communicates value without saying a word. His body language speaks before his voice ever does. The second trigger is emotional tension. Most men avoid it. They agree with everything, afraid of losing approval. But tension is not conflict, it's contrast. Attraction needs polarity. When you lightly challenge her opinions or tease her playfully, you create energy. You show that you aren't afraid of standing your ground. That small spark of resistance makes interactions feel alive instead of predictable, and predictability kills desire. The third principle is selective attention. This is where many men sabotage themselves. They give too much too soon. Instant replies, canceled plans, constant availability. The female mind doesn't interpret this as devotion. It interprets it as low value. A man with purpose doesn't orbit one person. When your life is full, goals, discipline, friendships, you naturally become more attractive. Not because you ignore her, but because you don't abandon yourself. Next comes intentional listening. Real listening is rare. When you remember small details she casually mentions and bring them up later, you create emotional depth. This isn't about impressing her. It's about presence. When a woman feels seen and understood, emotional connection forms. And emotional connection is the foundation of desire. It makes her feel safe while remaining intrigued. The fifth element is grounded vulnerability. Strength does not mean emotional emptiness. Women don't bond with perfection. They bond with authenticity. When you share something real about yourself without seeking sympathy, without bitterness, you show emotional maturity. You aren't hiding, and you aren't bleeding either. That balance signals confidence, and confidence is attractive. The sixth trigger is gradual physical familiarity. Touch, when done naturally and respectfully, releases bonding chemicals in the brain. A brief touch during laughter, a light guiding hand while walking, nothing forced, nothing rushed. These moments quietly associate your presence with comfort and warmth. Over time, her nervous system begins to recognize you as familiar and safe. And finally, the most powerful trigger of all, controlled unpredictability. The brain craves dopamine, and dopamine is released through uncertainty. When you're not completely predictable, when you're sometimes warm, sometimes reserved, you become memorable. Not confusing, not inconsistent, simply not fully accessible. Mystery keeps the mind engaged long after the interaction ends. These are not tricks. They are reflections of self-mastery. When used with respect and discipline, they change how women experience you. You don't force desire. You allow it to emerge. You don't chase. You attract. And once you understand this, everything changes. Stay grounded. Stay intentional. And remember, perfection is unnecessary. Strategy is everything.